Hey everyone, I know we're all adjusting to the new normal, and due to lockdown and quarantine restrictions, going out to buy essentials such as groceries and running errands became more difficult, especially with the increasing amount of COVID-19 cases. In order to be safe and get things done, many of us have turned to online payment apps like Paymaya to help us buy our essential needs. Here are 8 Paymaya hacks that will definitely make your life easier living in the new normal. Number 1. Free 50 pesos voucher for you or your friends that register using an invite code. If you're new to Paymaya, once you register, you can easily enter an invite code from a friend to get free 50 pesos. Keep in mind that your friend gets the same amount for free too. It's vice versa, and that's a win-win situation. Hack number 2. You get a free Visa prepaid card to use online. First thing to do is upgrade your account. You'll have to provide your personal information, permanent address, and provide 1 or 2 valid IDs for identification. After that, you have to add at least 100 pesos in your newly upgraded account. And once you do, click on View Card on your profile to see your virtual card and you're all set. Number 3. Virtual credits and vouchers. You can tap vouchers on the home screen. Select the available voucher you want to redeem and tap Claim. However, if you don't have any vouchers ready for you, you can always check out more available deals in the app. Number 4. Grab promo codes and top up. Did you know you can top up your Grab wallet with Paymaya? Tap on the payment button and then click Cash In. Then you will see several ways available to add credits to your Grab account. Select Cards. You can select a cash-in value, or you can input the exact amount that you want. Then select the payment method on your list. If your Paymaya account is under Visa, then choose Visa. Enter your Paymaya details, then submit for confirmation. After you receive confirmation through SMS from both Paymaya and Grab for the transaction, you're ready to book cashless rides and earn double the Grab reward points. Number 5. Quick and painless easy trip and RFID reloading. Click on Bills and then click Toll. Choose the RFID you wish to reload, either Auto Sweep or Easy Trip. Fill out the required details from the RFID account number to the amount you wish to load, then click Continue. You will be directed to the confirmation page. Check the details you provided, then click Confirm. Then you're all done. But take note that the minimum amount for reloading is 500 pesos. So make sure your Paymaya account has enough balance before proceeding. Number 6. Contactless grocery shopping via Maya Mall. For this hack, go to Maya Mall and it will lead you to a list of merchants that partnered with Paymaya. You can scroll through a long list of brands that are categorized from fast food, groceries, pharmacies, and essentials. Number 7. Easy way to purchase Beep QR tickets and load. For this hack, click on travel icon, then choose operator and route. Choose the origin and destination, then check ticket amount and confirm payment. Then after that, you can scan the Beep QR on selected operators with Beep QR acceptance. Also have a lot of options to purchase load for your phone, especially in case of emergency. And lastly, number 8. Easy way to add money through your bank account. Log in to your online or mobile banking account. Choose the option to transfer funds to other banks and select InstaPay. In the field for account number, input your Paymaya number and also the amount that you need. Then click Confirm. After that, you will receive an SMS that your transaction was successful. And there you have it. 8 Paymaya tricks that can definitely ease up your transactions, groceries, and buying your essentials with just one click in the app. Go download Paymaya and try out these hacks for yourself, or maybe help out a friend. Till then, please stay safe and healthy. And don't forget to check out Unbox.ph for more awesome news. And remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, because once we hit 250k subs, we'll be giving away a free phone. Till then, this was me, Elle, and I'll see you guys next time.